This is a tutorial on how to connect your iPhone with the entertainment system in the Sienna. First, the system has to be turned on. It's already on right now, but you should find your remote like this and press the orange button. You should see a screen displayed exactly like this. Then you're gonna get your HDMI cable, which is this, and if you have an iPhone, you are gonna need the adapter to connect to your, which is this. It's called an HDMI to Lightning adapter. Here's one I got at Best Buy, and it's a relatively, it's not an expensive option. Then you are going to connect your HDMI cable to the HDMI port that's located at the rear of the cargo space. You're then gonna fit your HDMI cable into the HDMI adapter right there. There's only one place it can fit, so you don't have to worry about where it goes. It only fits in one place, and then you're gonna plug that into your iPhone. Now, as soon as that is connected, you will notice that the system not connected disappears. Now you're gonna take your remote right there, grab your remote, and you're gonna press and, well, not that, sorry. You're gonna go press HDMI, and there you go. It is not going to automatically connect to the HDMI. You do have to press the HDMI button for it to select the HDMI, and all the images should then appear on your phone, on your screen. It's very simple, easy to do. After that, you go to audio on your dash, and you select rear. You go to audio, you select rear, and for everything to play in the whole car, and then you should have audio and video. And it's as simple as that. Good to go.